And we're back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Scanline blur portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop. It's basically a three-part process with some adjustments. First step is to copy the original, Ctrl-J, right click, convert it to Smart Object. Now we go to the filter gallery under Filter, and we'll add under Sketch the so-called Halftone Pattern. Let me zoom out so that you can see it properly. Important is, as a pattern type we need line. Size and contrast, that depends on the image that you use and the intensity of the effect that you want to have. We want to create these typical scan lines, as you can see here, and increase the size, they become very thick. For this example, let me try 4. I'll play a little bit around with the contrast. That should do for this example. I'll just press OK. That was the first step. Second step is to add the blur. So go to Filter, Blur Gallery and Path Blur. We just need a straight line from left to right. I'll make it a bit larger. We use the basic blur, but I want to uncheck the centered blur. The speed looks good when it's a little bit higher than the endpoint speed. And when you've got what you want, just press OK. It takes some time for processing. It was the second step, and we want to add a Posterized Effect, so go to Image Adjustments, Posterize. Maybe something like this. If the effect is too strong, you can always double click on your filter, it's a smart object, and you can go down with the values. Let me show you this as well. I'll go down with it. It takes some time now to render it. And as you can see now, the effect is not as strong as it was before. So now let's add some adjustments. At first, a levels adjustment. And we want to make some of the scanning lines disappear in the white areas. We can do so by dragging it from right to left in the levels adjustment layer. And we can add a little bit of the details back to it by using the original, pressing Ctrl-J, putting it on top, and then changing the blending mode to color burn. And I'll play around with the opacity. You can see it brings a little bit of color back as well. If you don't want to have that, just open an adjustment layer, black and white, on top of everything. In this specific case, I actually like it with the color, so I'll make the black and white invisible. Let me use an opacity of around 40, that's fine. And this is how you can create this abstract scanline blur portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.